What's up? Welcome back to Modern Traders. I'm Ben, be your host. Before we get started, I'm going to invite you over to the free Discord. We do have daily watch lists and callouts. Modern Traders LLC on Insta and moderntradersllc.com. And we do put a lot of work into trying to get these videos out for you daily, so if you get anything out of it, please do remember to like and subscribe. Get us a little love with the YouTube algorithm. So as we traders watch the sad decline of the growth sector in general, there are still a diamond in the rough here and there to find that have that same potential for rapid growth that we were so happy to see over and over again last year. And on that note, we have a member request for a video today for Roblox. Now, Roblox is a massive worldwide gaming community akin to Minecraft and World Warfare, except that it's just much more immersive and much more all-encompassing. This is a community of developers and users. As you can see, there's 8 million developers for 20 million experiences and 30.6 billion hours engaged since 2008 and $329 million created. And it's just like I said, there's millions of experiences. Like their website claims is a fact. So there's just a wide spectrum of abilities for this to make a profit. You can see that they've recently had news about a partnership with PlayStation potential, which is almost certain to go through. Same kind of a deal with Nintendo partnership, and already has partnerships with Xbox and Amazon, Google Play, yada blah yada blah. But this is a company that we're going to see massive growth from. I mean, just things like this, for example, the Gucci bag, the virtual Gucci bag sold on Roblox platform for more than an actual Gucci bag. Sold for $4,000 on the Roblox platform. So I mean, just you can see the potential for ridiculous profit to be made here. I mean, and this is something that's just all age groups, but a lot of kids that are said to be somewhat addicted to it. But while that could be a negative for personality, that's definitely a positive for the profit of the company and their potential going forward. And even Jim Cramer is on board with this company, which is a pretty big thing to say these days because Jim Cramer seems to hate most stocks. But even on Cramer's show just a couple days ago, it was saying that he does expect this to be one of those growth stocks that we continue to see grow, and was noting that active users is up 37% year over year with no signs of slowing because of the pandemic. And now boasts 43.3 million daily active users, and that number is probably just going to keep on growing. So looking at the graph, you can see that Roblox did IPO just recently at a $60 range, and pretty much immediately ran up to just under $80, and has continued to make higher lows ever since. I mean, higher highs ever since. We do see a constant support level right at $64 that seems to be holding, but hasn't really made a higher low pattern, so it does leave a little concern that we might have a back test back to that region. And we're sitting at the $88 level, and you can see that for the last couple weeks of trading that we have seen uptrend, and this trend line right here is being tested as support right now at the $88 level. If we see this trend line hold as support and continue to act as support going forward, then we could expect to see this take a bounce off of it at this $88 support level and keep rising up, trying to attempt to make new all-time highs. However, if we do see a red close to the month, we might see this get rejected, and then we would be watching for multiple supports on its way back down to that big support of 64. There'll be a pretty big support around 83, another pretty major support around 77, and again around 70. And we would hope to see it back test one of those for a good entry point, but definitely something to have on your radar. Till next time, it's Modern Traders. Thanks for stopping by.